Mickey, Feds came out Wednesday, didn't raise rates. Not too surprising, but what's your take on it?
Well, it wasn't surprising at all because we saw that jobs report, and the market went up, which again wasn't surprising because there was a lot of volatility leading into the meeting as to what they might say. We're still in the same zone of the market just keeps going higher, interest rates are low. That it kind of is what it is. It's I don't expect to see much change.
So I guess another question is it safe to say now, with reasonable certainty, that the Feds won't raise rates at all for the rest of the year?
It's nothing safe, but I would venture that, we have the election coming up. Now you get into political issues of raising rates. I don't see it happening this year. I really don't. I see it happening more early next year once things kind of settle. But I think we're probably pretty safe for the next meeting. Again, I think the market's going to be really volatile because today we're down 85 points in the Dow. There's still a lot of uncertainty about going forward, what will happen next year, then with the election. So I expect to see a lot of volatility throughout the year.
So what do you tell investors when that volatility is forthcoming?
Well, as long as the volatility stays within its range of how the market's moving, I don't worry about it. The day-to-day stuff. As long as we stay in this uptrend, which we've been in for 9 years, I'm not really too worried about it. I know at some point it's going to end. Markets don't go up forever. And unfortunately, the longer we continue this upside move, the harder the pullback will be. But as of right now, we're staying the course. But come next year, I really think that's going to change. I think this bull market is running out of steam. Earnings have slowed down. They're not bad, but they're not as good as was hoped for. And once the Fed does start raising rates, I just believe we're going to see a pullback next year.
Very good, Mickey. Give us that website one more time.
www.envestim.com. And my email is Mickey, Mickey, @envestim.com.
Terrific. Thanks as always, Mickey. See you next week.
Thank you, David.